Hey, this is Joakim. Welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool drawing here, and basically what this is a solar light. And for this solar light, it also has the motion sensor option, which is pretty cool. And we see for the one that we got right here is from this brand. And for the one that we got right here, it does come in a pack of 4 of them. But first, I should open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So the first thing inside, they do provide guys a bunch of screws that you can use to mount the product. And right underneath that, we do have the product. So since all of them are the same, I'm just going to take out one of them to show you guys what she looks like. Alright, so I took it out, and you see inside they also provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. But right here we do have the product. If you guys do take out the wrapper, here is basically what the product looks like. So you see the top part right here, we do have the option for you guys to mount it onto the wall. Top part right here, we do have the solar panel. Middle part, we do have the motion sensor option. And throughout the product, we do have the LED light in the front, in the side, and this side as well, to give you guys a pretty good coverage when you guys do use it. And we guys do turn on to the back. In the back, we do have a button for us to push, and that will allow you guys to turn it on. So when you guys do press it in the back, there's 3 different modes available. There's an always on mode, there's a low light motion sensor option, and there's a bright light motion sensor option. So now let's turn it on to show you guys how it works. So if you guys press it one time, that basically turns on the product. And the reason why it does not turn on right now is because it does sense light. So if you guys do cover up the top part, and we see how it does turn on, both in the middle and the side as well. But once you guys do let go, it turns off. So that is the first mode. If you guys press on again, now we have the low light motion sensor option. So basically once you guys cover the top part, it will turn on. And right now we basically have the low light option. If you guys do press on again, now we have the bright light option. And once you guys do let go, it does turn off. So basically for the product, it does turn off in the daytime to actually charge the product. And then once it's nighttime, when it does get dark, then it will turn on the light, just like that. And for this product, when you guys do use it, it doesn't require any batteries, so it does have the solar panel. And when you guys do set up the product, they do mention how it is water resistant, frost resistant, and heat resistant as well. So whether if you guys want to set this up in your front door, your backyard, or anywhere else, that is totally up to you guys. But it is really important for you guys to set it up somewhere where it's direct sunlight to help you guys charge up the product. But now let's bring this over to a different room to show you guys how the product works, and then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so now we're in a different room. So what we're gonna do is turn on the product first, and we're gonna use the mode number 2, which is basically the low light option. So that's 1, and that's 2. So I leave it right here, and you see how it does not turn on because we do have the light on. But now let's turn off the light and show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do use it. Alright, so you see how it does turn on. And when I just stand still and don't move, it will turn off. Alright, so turn off. If I just move a little bit, and you see how it does turn on. And the brightness level on here is actually very bright. But I'm actually turn on the highest brightness level to show you guys what that looks like. So here is basically what the product looks like on the highest brightness level. So if you think about it, when you guys set it somewhere where it's like higher, maybe like somewhere around here, it will give you guys that really good coverage from the front and the side as well. So for example, if I raise it up right here, and we see how much it brightens up the room when you guys do use it, both for the front and the side as well. And then once you guys do turn on the light, it does turn off. And when you guys do turn it off, it turns on. So you can see everything about the product definitely does work in terms of brightness level, the motion sensor option, and also the solar panel as well. Welcome back, guys. So now let's do a quick test of the product. It definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. And you can see how bright the light is when you guys do use it. And also when you guys do use the motion sensor option, it actually works pretty well. If you can see how far we stand from the actual light when you guys do use it, it does send the motion from a pretty far distance, which is pretty cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality solar light that does not require you guys to plug in cable to use it, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.